What's up guys, Trader Neil here, back at you with another crypto video. So today we're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin the night before the US presidential elections. So I'm going to tell you what I think Bitcoin is potentially going to be doing over the next couple days, where I'm looking for Bitcoin to potentially pull back to, or where I am looking for continuation to the upside if Bitcoin provides it for us. But before I go into that, I would really appreciate it if you guys like this video, subscribe to my channel at Trader Neil, and of course hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. All of those together, I would really appreciate it. Alright guys, so looking at Bitcoin here, this is my make or break level for continuation in the near term for bulls, and that is $69,000. If Bitcoin can get above that level on the daily and get a daily close above it, in my opinion, Bitcoin has a very high chance of going higher. We've already taken out these equal highs at 72K that I talked about, I think about a month ago at this point, guys, when we first started to turn bullish on BTC. And so, in my opinion, if we get above 69K on a daily closing basis, I think we go even higher to the 75K region, take out our all-time highs, and continue from there. However, after the last two daily closes, we are under 69K on the daily. And so, even if we chop around in this zone, I do think that likelihood of going lower at the moment on BTC is what I would be looking for. Bitcoin open interest is at all-time highs, guys, on exchanges and on CME. And so, in my opinion, I do think getting a little bit more of a flush would be ideal for, for a bullish scenario and for continuation up. Do we have to dump? Not necessarily. But an area of interest that I have comes in about here at 65K, guys. So not only is that an important support resistance level throughout this entire range on BTC, as you guys can see, looking left, we've had bounces there, here, back in March, here, back at the beginning of April. We turned it into resistance in May, support here in June. And as you guys can see, very big level throughout this entire range. I don't have to tell you, you guys can see it yourself as well. And so that's why I would be really looking for the 65K zone to be a nice potential long opportunity. If I turn on my object tree here as well, guys, you can also see that this level is our value area high of this local range if I take a pull from our lows here in August. And so there's another confluence for taking along at that zone. And then if we do end up getting a wick lower at the very least, I think having bids here at around 62K wouldn't be a bad idea either. And this lines up with two of our anchored VWAPs as well, guys. We are in a way still above our first anchored VWAP from, let's see, from our lows here at the beginning of September. And so as long as we're above that level, I still could see continuation as long as we reclaim 69K. But at the very least, having these levels marked, looking for longs lower in case we do have a push to the downside, especially within the next couple days, guys, wouldn't be a bad idea. With elections coming up, I think that volatility is ahead of us. No matter, the outcome of them, I think being prepared no matter what happens is the move here. So if you guys like this content, if you want to trade Bitcoin with me on Femex, I've got my affiliate link in the description below. You guys can get up to $8,800 on Femex if you sign up with my link, and you're going to be eligible for my next trading competition, and you're going to save on some nice maker and taker fees as well on there. And then lastly, guys, if you stuck around till the end of this video, I want you guys to use code word November in the comment section below. That way I know if you're a real one or not. But that'll do it for the rest of this video, guys. I appreciate you watching. This is Trader Neil signing out. Let's see what Bitcoin does for us within the next couple days, whether we continue up or fill our bids lower. Either way, we're prepared, and that's what matters. All right, guys, have a good one, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.